Hello to all you lovely people out there. Today I'm going to show you my writing routine in the 3 easy ways I write more. As writers, we all want to write more. It's part of our job. Write more, write more, write more. But sometimes it feels as if we don't have time to write, let alone write more. But hey, don't worry, I'm here to help. Before we get to how I'm able to write more, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell for content just like this. I'm Octavia D. Mason, giving practical writing tips to beginner writers, book talks to book readers, and vlogs to both. The first easy way to write more is to carry with you, whenever you're away from home, a notebook or a journal. A notebook such as this one, and a journal such as this one. This way, for whenever you're waiting somewhere, waiting at an appointment, or if you are waiting to get your car tuned up, if you're waiting at a doctor's office, if a brilliant idea pops into that writer's head of yours, you can pull out your notebook that's easily accessible from either your bag or purse. You can pull it out and you can write down those ideas that just popped into your head, and that way you can have a place where you have those ideas stored and you can always go back to it and write it out later. The second easy way to write more is to take advantage of the Notes app on your phone. You see this little technological device right here? This is helpful for writing. Whenever you have just one idea, like a new plot idea, a new character name, a new character development that you want to write down, you can pull out your phone, pull up that Notes app on your phone, and write that idea out. This easy way is meant for you to get those random ideas that pop into your head and just quickly jot them down in your phone. So that way you can go back later on when you're in your journal or notebook, or when you're with your laptop, you can expound more on those ideas. So this is just a quick and easy way to write more. The third easy way to write more is to use your calendar and set aside time to do so. You can use a physical calendar or you can use a digital calendar. And here's a physical calendar that's going to be relatively small, that can fit into your book bag, that you can carry with you, and that way you can write down the times or the days you feel will be best for you to write more. And then you have this bad baby right here, which is a Goliath of a calendar, and you can keep this at home and you can easily flip it open. It's large. You can write down all the dates and times that you think will be best for you to write. And so when I say set aside time to do so, I don't mean that you have to take 2 hours to write. You can take at least 30 minutes to write, and you'll be amazed at how much your story can grow and how much you can write within 30 minutes. These are the 3 easy ways to write more. Number 1, carry around a journal or a notebook wherever you go so you can write down those ideas whenever you're waiting. Number 2, take advantage of the Notes app on your phone so that way you can jot down those quick ideas that you can expound upon later. Number 3, carve out time in your planner to write for at least 30 minutes to an hour. That way you can consistently build your story without taking too much time out of your day, especially if you have a 9 to 5. These 3 ways are easy, they're practical, and they're simple, but they're very effective for wanting your story to grow and for your story to develop and for you to be able to write more. ODM question of the day. Comment below, how do you write more? Do you use these 3 easy ways, or do you use something else? Hey, lovely people, if you're interested in the calendars and planners that I use to write more, or in the notebooks and journals that I also use to write more, they are linked below in the description. I'm Octavia D. Mason, bringing tips for the writers, books for the readers, and vlogs for both. Have a lovely day. Peace.